Welcome to Artos Hub. Today we take a detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427, a modern reinterpretation of a legendary American muscle sedan. The Impala SS 427 carries forward the iconic design cues of the classic 1960s and 70s models while introducing contemporary performance, technology, and comfort. With a bold front fascia, sculpted body lines, and a stance that commands attention, this car is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Every detail, from the front grille to the rear taillights, emphasizes both elegance and aggression, blending classic charm with modern aesthetics. Under the hood, the Impala SS 427 boasts a powerful 427 cubic-inch V8 engine that delivers immense horsepower and torque, providing thrilling acceleration and high-speed stability. The engine is paired with a refined transmission system designed for smooth shifts and responsive performance, whether cruising on highways or tackling challenging road conditions. Advanced suspension tuning ensures a balanced ride, offering comfort during everyday driving while maintaining the handling capabilities expected from a performance sedan. The braking system is equally impressive, with high-performance brakes that ensure safety and control at all speeds. The interior of the 2026 Impala SS 427 is a combination of luxury and functionality. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and modern infotainment systems provide a comfortable and connected driving experience. Drivers have access to advanced technology features such as digital instrument clusters, touchscreen displays, smartphone integration, and customizable driving modes. Every aspect of the cabin has been designed to offer both style and convenience, making it suitable for long journeys, daily commutes, and spirited drives alike. Artos Hub also notes the attention to detail in build quality, ensuring that this car not only performs, but also provides reliability and longevity. Safety features are integrated seamlessly, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, multiple airbags, and a reinforced chassis for added protection. The combination of classic styling, high-performance engineering, and modern technology makes the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 a standout in the muscle sedan category, catering to enthusiasts who value both heritage and innovation. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 takes performance seriously, starting with its mighty 427 cubic-inch V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers a combination of raw horsepower and torque that makes every drive exciting. Unlike typical sedans, the Impala SS 427 feels alive the moment you press the accelerator. Whether you're merging onto the highway or leaving a traffic light behind, the engine's response is instantaneous. Its deep, throaty exhaust note not only gives a satisfying auditory experience, but also reflects the car's muscle heritage. Chevrolet has also focused on the transmission and drivetrain to complement this engine. The transmission shifts smoothly, whether you choose the automatic mode for relaxed cruising or engage the sport mode for aggressive driving. Rear-wheel drive provides classic muscle car dynamics, giving the driver a sense of control and connection with the road. Additionally, traction and stability control systems have been refined, ensuring that power is delivered efficiently, even in challenging conditions. The suspension system balances comfort with performance, allowing the Impala SS 427 to glide over city streets while maintaining stability during high-speed cornering. The exterior design continues to impress. Its elongated hood, aggressive front grille, and muscular fenders create a commanding presence. LED headlights and modern taillights not only enhance visibility, but also contribute to the car's modernized retro aesthetic. Every angle is carefully sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining a bold and aggressive stance. Large alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires ensure optimal grip, complementing the car's athletic proportions. Inside, the cabin is a harmonious blend of performance-oriented features and luxury. Supportive bucket seats keep occupants comfortable while providing the necessary hold during spirited driving. The driver-focused dashboard places all controls within easy reach, while a modern infotainment system keeps passengers connected. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system elevate the experience for long journeys. Soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and classic touches like retro-inspired gauges pay homage to the Impala's legacy while delivering modern comfort. Safety and convenience have not been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems such as forward collision warning, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are integrated seamlessly. Multiple airbags and a reinforced body structure ensure occupants remain protected, giving peace of mind without compromising the driving experience. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 combines legendary muscle car performance with modern engineering, comfort, and technology. It honors the heritage of the Impala while offering a car that is practical, thrilling, and refined for today's drivers. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 continues to impress with its overall driving dynamics. While its engine is the heart of the car, the chassis and suspension play a crucial role in delivering a smooth yet thrilling ride. Engineers have tuned the suspension to provide the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. It absorbs bumps and rough roads without making the cabin feel harsh, yet it maintains composure during fast cornering. Drivers can feel confident pushing the car to its limits while passengers enjoy a refined, stable ride. Steering is precise and communicative, offering a sense of connection to the road that few sedans can match. The responsiveness allows drivers to confidently maneuver through tight corners or navigate open highways at high speeds. This level of control is complemented by a braking system designed for performance. Large ventilated disc brakes provide strong stopping power, ensuring safety during aggressive driving or emergency situations. Combined with advanced traction and stability control, the Impala SS 427 feels planted and reliable, even when unleashing the full potential of its 427 V8 engine. The interior continues to impress with thoughtful details that enhance both comfort and functionality. Storage compartments are conveniently placed, and materials have a premium feel without losing the muscle car character. Classic design elements such as retro-inspired gauges are blended seamlessly with modern tech, creating a cabin that is both nostalgic and contemporary. Infotainment options are extensive, allowing passengers to enjoy music, navigation, and connectivity features effortlessly. On the exterior, the Impala SS 427 remains bold and aggressive. Aerodynamic enhancements subtly improve performance without compromising the classic muscle car look. Its muscular fenders, wide stance, and sculpted hood are complemented by aggressive front and rear styling. The car not only performs well but looks imposing, turning heads wherever it goes. Lighting accents, alloy wheels, and performance tires add both style and functionality. Practicality is another strength of the Impala SS 427. While it excels as a performance sedan, it remains suitable for daily driving. The rear seats offer reasonable space for passengers, and the trunk provides ample storage for luggage or gear. Comfort, technology, and convenience combine to create a car that is not only exciting to drive, but also usable in everyday scenarios. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 is a modern interpretation of a classic American muscle car. It blends raw power, precision engineering, and sophisticated interior design to deliver a complete driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway, tackling winding roads, or showing off its aggressive stance in the city, the Impala SS 427 stands as a remarkable example of what a high-performance sedan can achieve.